All right, we're back at the scooter again. I know you guys love it. So I put the stage 6 Kickstarter on. Got rid of the old weird one that was on there since I'm gonna have to kick it now from now on. I wanted to at least look good. So we put that on, and it's time to get rid of this. So the guys over at Scooter Swap Shop hooked it up big time, and they were able to get their hands on this Paoli shock from Malosi. So this is the top of the line. I wanted the nicest rear shock. This thing's a freaking pogo stick, as Brandon says, and it really sucks. It's bouncy as hell when I'm riding around. No confidence in handling. It's just a, I don't know, pain in the butt, I guess, even though it's just really bouncy. So this new one should be the ticket. So we're gonna go ahead and get the old one off and get this new one on. This is fully adjustable. It's got 3-way adjustability. We've got spring preload, shock length, as well as dampening. So we'll get this on there. We'll take it down and we'll see how it does, because I'm really excited to actually enjoy riding this thing and not have to worry about bouncing around. I went over a speed bump at like 40 miles an hour. Well, speed hump, not a bump, but a hump, and literally felt like the back end was coming off the ground, which I think it did. Not a good feeling either way. And then going around the corners, you can feel the back end just loading and unloading and loading and all. It's just a very insecure feeling cornering wise. So this one, original manufacturer is Paoli for the suspension, front and rear, so I wanted to stick with that trend. So we've got top of the line Paoli going onto it. Let's get it done. Well, it mounted up perfectly. The only difference really here now is the length. This is a little longer. So now the bike sits up a little higher, and as you can see, the center stand no longer hits the ground here while we're on the dyno. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the ground and see how much clearance we need to tack on, because I can just add a little bit here to these in order to sit, because I still want to use the center stand. So looks good though. Really excited to see how it feels. Let's get it down. You can see the clearance. So we're on the ground here, so it's gonna teeter a little bit. So we need about a half an inch, maybe an inch on each side. So I'm gonna add that to the bottom, and then it should be okay. All right, let's see, so far, wow, I mean, just jumping down on it, I can immediately feel that it's not bouncing anymore. That's huge. There we go. So that felt really good. Everything was real solid. A much more planted feeling going through curves and also going over any bumps. That was a huge upgrade, and I'm really glad that we got that on there because that old shock was just tired. You ride scooters?
Never ridden a scooter, man.
You've never ridden a scooter?
Besides like a little like 50cc like Harley Davidson I had that went like 25 miles an hour.
Yeah.
It's the only scooter I've ridden.
And you pegged it 25.
Whole time. You hop on it, it's cold, just
Just go.
break up for a minute until it warms up, and then once it's clear, it's just flying. Flying.
Jeez. Well, I'd let you ride that one, but maybe it's a little bit. Maybe it's past your.
Is it?
It might be past your
I
skill.
rode dirt bikes. I used to ride dirt bikes all the time.
Oh yeah. It's like a little mini dirt bike kind of.
All right, yeah.
It's not too bad.
Two-stroke. That thing was a ripper.
There you go.
You know,
there you go.
It was a lot of fun.
So there you go. Then you
A
know.
lot of fun on that thing.
I wish this was a 250.
Hey, you could swap it, couldn't you?
It's only 70 cc's. I don't know.
Can you swap motors in these things?
Not really, because you
got
kind
this
of.
whole deal here.
Yeah, you kind of have the transmission and everything built into it, so it's a little bit of an ordeal. Yeah. Yeah. They get up over 100 cc's.
Oh shit.
So yeah, that's
a big difference considering it's at 70. That's
exactly
like almost double the damn displacement.
Well, they're 49 stock, so it is double if you go over 100. Yeah. So I'll get there eventually on one of them, but for what it is right now, I stick with the 70 because I like the idea that it's like this little tiny motor.
But it's still got a bit of pep to it.
It's got some rip. Cool exactly.
Yeah, that's sweet. Now, this came out really cool too.
Pretty sweet, right?
Yeah, man.
Real high end, good quality part.
It looks legit.
Yeah. This is
the best points, man.
Best you could get for a scooter.
That's right.
What do you think of it? Don't you read your shirt? Where's my shirt, man? Hey, if any of you guys out there have not gotten your junk shirt, don't worry. I haven't either.
Okay, don't say that. Everyone gets their junk stuff.
Except?
I promise you. Dude, we've talked about this, Jack. We've talked about it.
Okay.
You keep busting my balls. Don't do it on camera, dude. Stop.
You want to ride my scooter?
I do, actually.
You should take it for a rip.
Can I?
Yeah.
Got the electric start and everything?
No electric start. You gotta kick it. It's old school now. We kick it.
I mean, are you sure you want me to ride
We're
it?
kicking it old school. The only reason I want you to ride it is just because I know that if you ride this, it's gonna motivate you to get yours
Oh, that's right.
going.
Well, dude, sponsorship kind of, do me in the garbage.
Oh no.
But I'll still take the 30%, but they still do me in the garbage.
They didn't give you what you needed.
They didn't give me what I needed. But
Here.
I'm still going to use them, whatever, but the plugs aren't good. Turn the jump hat the other way.
There he goes.
You ready for this?
I don't know if you're ready. Take your easy, okay?
Damn.
There she goes. Well,
Damn.
pray for my scooter.
Wow.
Pray for my scooter,
good.
please. What do you think of that?
This thing is ass.
It's not bad, right?
Oh my, I was not expecting that. Like, it wants to throw you off a little.
It's not bad.
Dude, you can't go slow.
Nah, it's
You
fun.
have to rev it, and once you rev it,
Yep, you gotta
the
go.
front did pick up a little bit.
You gotta go.
Gotta go. This thing is not.
Not junk.
Not junk.
Thanks, man. I really
problem.
appreciate that. That makes me feel better.
Yeah.
So now let's get yours going.
Get your junk first. I promise I'll get it before Jack.
That's dumb. I'm sick of this.
I'll take it off for you right now.
I won't make you do that.
Good, I'm too fat.